How to add a song to your Facebook bio. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen, and here you will be able to see all your personal details. So tap on the edit profile option you see there, and then go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for music. So tap on the music option you see there, and now go ahead and add in your favorite music. You can simply add in the music shown on the screen in here, or you can tap on the trending music available and then tap on it, or you can simply tap on the search bar you see there and search for your specific music that you want to add. For me, I will simply select a music easily available right here. Now, once you tap on the music, you will see the option for save. So tap on the save option you see there, and with this, the music will be saved to your list. Now, if you go back to your profile and scroll down and refresh your feed, you will be able to see the music that you just added, and it will be easily visible on your profile. So this was about how you can add a music to your Facebook bio. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.